So what we have going on here is this camouflage cheetah looking pattern is POA that was once a 100% strand that has been thinned out over the years. And now you have this bent, these darker areas or bent grass that has been seeded into this and made to be this camouflagey look that you see. 100 times out of 100, no matter what this looks like in terms of bent, the roots are going to be deeper than this POA is. It's just how the grass grows in general. So on the most perfect POA day of the year, these roots are going to be 5-6 inches deep. These are going to be 8, 9, 10 inches deep sometimes. So in the summer when we get warm and all roots, no matter what, start to shallow, that POA is going to shallow up and have no roots a lot faster than that bent is going to shallow up and have no roots. Hence why we lose the POA in the summer when it gets hot, humid, conditions that aren't good for the turf grass. The consistency of all this is mowed at the same height, rolled the same, everything is maintained the same. We regulate different times of year, different rates to get that look, to get that effect. Because we will have times where you perceive a bumpy surface to be the POA growing faster than the bent grass, or the bent grass growing faster than the POA, vice versa. So when you have a bump, it's not necessarily something that we're doing. We might just have a different turf that you're putting over at that time.
So let's go ahead and run a few balls down the meter there just for consistency to see how it rolls and how it ends up. Pretty consistent. Yep. So a little bit of temperature increase in the soil.
Temperature variances as the soil warms up, as we're putting consistent spraying and fertilizing and watering on an all-the-time basis. The color, the look is going to even itself out. It'll all become a consistent green. But the look right now that we have is because of the temperature of the ground. The ground is probably 46, 47 degrees. Once we get above 50, 55, somewhere in that range, everything gets a wake up. Everything looks pure and clean and the same color, and it doesn't have this camouflagey effect that we have right now.
All right, thanks.